Good morning, children. Today we will discuss to continue about nation, nationality, and nationalism. Yesterday we will discuss nation and nationality. Next, nationalism. Okay, what is the main difference between nation and state? Okay, and nation and society. Next, state and society. Okay, definition of the nationality and some importance of the nationalism feelings. Yesterday we will discuss it. Okay, now we are going to now topic nationality and nationalism. Nationality and nationalism. Nationality nationality and nationalism. Okay, nationality, and it is the one of the group of society. Okay, nationality is what is nationality? Nationality is a different type of peoples are there in nationality, like gender, religious group, gender and religions, gender and religions. Okay, gender and religions, and next caste. Caste also one of the group of the nationality. Okay, caste, religions. Gender means like it is male or female. Okay, woman or stree like purushadu. Okay, this is gender means what is the meaning? It is the mainly men or women. Men or women. Okay, it is meaning is gender. Okay, nationality is under these three words. Okay, first one gender, religion, and caste. These three words, including of the nationality. So, a person born in which area, the area under the belongs to in which nationality. Okay, the nationality means here this meaning here country level. The country is under the which colony, and the country is in which religions are more there other country. Okay, which religions are more there, and the country so many type of caste, so many type of caste was there. Okay, and the country is population, gender. Population is more men or women. Population also one of the main important of the nationality. Population is which country population is more, the country is under the control by the national feelings. Okay, country feelings, and next to motherland type of feelings. Okay, next to nationalism. Nationalism already we know. Yesterday we discussed so important of the movements. Nationalism means like revolutions, like movements. Okay, movements. Okay, this movement, these are movement, particularly British government period, Independence Day period, before Independence Day period. So many type of movements are total spread in all over India. So many type of movements. Yesterday we will discuss already about nationalism. Okay, the movement totally changes of physical and physically total changes of this movement. Physically and cultural and economically totally changes of this movement. Which movement? Nationalism movement. Physically and political, economical, and next economically, politically, these are movement totally changes of particular one region, economically, politically, and cultural also mainly affected. Cultural, economically, politically. So it is under the this type of movement, national movements. In historical period, so many type of national movements are there. Okay, national movement means the movement mainly located. The movement mainly spread to only country level. Okay, here some important movement, Quit India movement, Salt Satyagraha movement. Okay, and Mahatma Gandhi announced of the non-cooperation movement, non-cooperation, civil disobedience, Salt Satyagraha movement, okay, etc. These are the nationalism feelings. Okay, nationality, nationalism, the nation, nationality, nationalism. These are meanings are different there. So the nation, nationality, it is common words, but the nationality means the person belongs to which country. Nation means so many type of groups are there. Nations. Okay, the nation mainly effect of the individual groups. Individual groups or groups are members. Individual groups or groups are members. So the individual groups, so many type of groups are there in society. Okay, the society first merged. Society after next some national means a country. So many countries are mainly merged of the in this society. In this society is the main first term of the socio culture. First time of the socio culture. Socio culture is a different type of groups are there. The different types of groups mainly divide from small type of nations, smaller biggest of the nations. So the nation, the people mainly follow the system like sovereignty power. You know already previous classes we will learn about the sovereignty. Sovereignty is the actual which will not sovereignty. Okay. Sovereignty is this is the actually suprana's word. Suprana's meaning your main power. Okay, the power and the announcing of this system. Okay, this is the Latin word. Okay, already already we know previous classes state and sovereignty differences we will discuss state and sovereignty. So every nationality of the system. Sovereignty is common. Every nationality of the system. Okay, suprana's power, mainly strongly power, strongly power. Okay, announced of the different type of meanings. Okay, next there is so many type of definitions of the nationalism. Definitions. What is the main definitions of nationalism? Okay, definitions are here. First one, the nationalism is under the particularly this nationalism only depend on only nation wise. Okay, the nation is also so many type of states divided. Okay, state and national is commonly same meanings, but here national is a very large type of part, but state is the smallest type of part. Okay, this is the one of the main definition. So nationalism is also one of the main important part of the under the national. Okay, so these are the mainly essential characters and like so many type of critical conditions also there. Critical conditions. Okay, so what is the main maintenance power only. Mainly maintenance power and political system, political power. Particularly political power and economical power. Political power and economical power only maintenance of the in this type. So peoples also commonly public also mainly feelings like national feelings. Public also like feelings are in different type of views, public opinion. Okay, public values. The values are also mainly maintenance of the in public. Okay, values and the principles. So here sovereignty is not only depend on one type of characters. Sovereignty is different type of characters and different types of maintenance systems also there. Different type of characters and maintenance. The sovereignty power not only one type of person. The sovereignty power mainly used so total all men are women. Every person నుంచి ఈ పవర్స్ ఉంది ప్రతి వ్యక్తి నుంచి ఓకే సో కావున sovereignty is the main power of the in this system ఓకే అంటే అధికారం గురించి sovereignty ఓకే so this is the main power of the sovereignty power and nationalism power also nationalism జాతీయత so the nationalism power also mainly including of the scope so the scope also main maintenance of the national power. So every nation depend on the every nationality. The nationality is also essential characters. Essential characters so types of method. This type of method following types of method. Okay, types of method. Types of method means the nationality is a different type of methods are using. Okay, the methods mainly here language, religions, race. Okay, language different type of language spoken to in different type of groups of people. Groups of people. Okay, the language also main important of the one of the part of the nation feelings and religions. Religions also types of method mainly language. Next to religions. Language and next to religion, next to caste. Okay, language, next to religion, next to caste. Okay, next one. Gender category. Gender category. Okay, here types of method. The types of method mainly depend on the particularly mainly four types: language, caste, religion, gender type, gender categories. Language also different type of language also very spoken to society. Spoken to the different type of society, language type of society. Next to caste, caste feelings. In our society, in our nation, so many type of caste system also there. Okay, caste is also one of the part of the nation part. Next to religions. Here Hindu, Muslim, Christians, different type of religious groups are there. So one of the caste or one of the individual groups. Okay. Next to gender category. Gender category means what is the meaning gender category? Male or female, women or men. Okay. Population. About example gender category population. The population total how much population? Okay. Total men how many members? Next to women how many members? Next to children's men, women and children's. About total population. This is called gender category, gender religious group. The gender is different some type of the sub-regional groups. Sub-regional, like example, Hindus, Muslims, and Christians. Okay, and others divisions some small type of individual groups, languages. Okay, in different type of Greek language, Roman, Telugu, Hindi. Okay, next caste. So, Kana, ivanni kuda manaku methods philosophy. Types of method. Next to nationalism. The nationalism is also one of the type of particularly main important economical and political movements. Economically, politically, changes of many areas, many places. Economically, politically, changes of many places. So it is called mainly nationalism feelings. Nationalism feelings. Okay, children, today nationalism feelings also we discussed. Okay, next one what conclusion. Okay, conclusion. What is the main important of meaning of the in this topic? The conclusion about in the chapter nation, nationality, nationalism. These are different type of meanings are there. These are the related words like synonyms word. అదే పదాలకు అర్థం తెలుసుకుంటే synonyms. Okay, ఇవన్నీ కూడా సేమ్ వర్డ్స్ అన్నమాట. Okay, so these are the main important of the nationality meanings. అంటే మెయిన్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ పీపుల్స్ వ్యూస్ అంటే ప్రజల నుంచి సేకరించిన అభిప్రాయం విలువలు. సో పీపుల్స్ వ్యూస్ అండ్ a point of the one person or category. This conclusion about nation, nationality. Nation is under the divide. Nation is divided from nationality. Nation is divided from national groups. Okay, the national groups is divided from the groups of people affected of the some type of revolution or movements. Some revolutions or movements. So it is called a national movement. So it is called a national movement. Divided of the small groups, the groups of the people, some type of group of people affected strike. Okay, strike. Or hartal. So the strike is mainly, it is also called movements. Change the system. Okay. So these movements mainly historically rearmament movement. Okay. One of the main important rearmament movement and the social economical movements also. Social economical movement, rearmament movement, human rights movements. Okay, people's aspirations also main follow the method of the in these are movements. Okay, this is the main conclusion about nationality and nationalism. Nationality and nationalism. Okay, children, tomorrow we will discuss, will continue nationalism feelings. What is the meaning of nationalism? The nationalism characters. Okay, we will discuss some important of methods. Okay, thank you.